Hi guys, it's your girl Nelly again, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieved this beautiful knotless braids. So first of all, I started off with a very clean hair, and I just went ahead to section the back of the hair, and to get a very clean part to work with, I went ahead to use my Shana Jam gel to create a very clean part to work with while braiding, because the hair is quite short. And so when I was done, I went to section the part where I was going to begin braiding from, and I just went ahead to braid on it. So because the hair is quite short, I had to use the Shine Gem Gel to give it some juicy hold, like holding the hair together and then allowing me to braid on it and getting a perfect braid on it. So I just went ahead to do that, and I'll be right back when I need to come back to tell you more about what I did. And so this is like halfway into the braids, and I was super excited about how neat the hair was coming out. And this is when the hair was completely done, like all braided up. So I just went ahead to trim the braids to make them of equal length, and also take away the excess flyaways and make it look beautiful. So all I did basically was to trim away the flyaways and make them all of equal lengths. And so when I was completely done trimming all the excess flyaways and making all the braids of equal length, I went ahead to dip the hair into hot water. Sorry, I didn't film that. And I also went ahead to use my styling mousse to make this braid look lit. And also I also went ahead to use my ocean spray over these braids. I didn't film that as well. And so when I was done using the styling mousse and oil sheen spray over the braids, I went ahead to accessorize the braids with some jewelries. so there you have our beautiful braids all done, all accessorized and looking very beautiful, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Please do well to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye, see you in my next video, guys.